Yesterday, the market was full of hopes that the greenback's multi-year uptrend would change soon. However, Christine Lagarde's comments delivered in the evening darkened the situation. The ECB president said that the regulator was planning to raise the benchmark rate as early as July. The market made such news with a decline in the euro, and the fact is that Christine Lagarde did not specify what interest rate the ECB would raise, the refinancing rate or the deposit one. Judging by the comments, she was talking about the deposit rate, which now is at minus 0.5%. In addition, Christine Lagarde emphasized several times that the existing conditions had changed. Now the ECB has to switch to a more flexible stance and remain very cautious about its monetary policy tightening. As a result, investors have concluded that the regulator will raise only the deposit rate, whereas monetary policy tightening will take much more time than expected. Against the backdrop, the US dollar resumed gaining in value. Today, the greenback could also be supported by the US durable goods orders report. According to the forecast, the indicator may jump by 0.4%, thus reflecting rising consumer activity, which is the main driver of economic growth. What do we see on the trading charts? For the last week and a half, the euro has soared by approximately 400 pips against the US dollar. This is a correctional movement that is not affecting the structure of the midterm downtrend. The current drop was quite predictable, as the euro has already reached its overbought levels. The support level is still located at 1.0636. To stop the correction, the quote should settle below 1.06 on the 4-hour chart. Otherwise, the euro-dollar pair may resume its upward correction. Meanwhile, the pound-dollar pair returned to the level of 1.25, thus causing a decline in the volume of short positions. As a result, the price consolidated above the control level and stagnated. The earlier broken level of 1.25 is acting as intermediate support. Once the price consolidates above 1.26, traders will get a signal of a further upward correction, and in this case the pair may climb to 1.27. According to the alternative scenario, the upward correction will reach its end. To prove this signal, the pair should settle below 1.2430 on the 4-hour chart. And that's all for now. We continue to learn developments on financial markets. Subscribe to our channel and follow news with us. See you soon.